It's got one. It's got one. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Right, calm down. Calm down, calm down. Okay. And I'm just gonna kill it very quickly with a strike behind the head. My hand is absolutely shaking. Okay, back to camp. I'm not wholeheartedly comfortable killing an animal this big, but I'm just gonna make sure every single bit gets eaten so nothing is wasted. I'm gonna have to cut this thing up. And so, I picked up another stone, a smaller stone. It's a little bit sharper. There's my mini carving axe. I'm looking forward to having my first proper meal in 8 days. In a survival situation, you are combating degrading every single day, but trying to stay alert and strong enough in order to get through it. But I'm gonna go out of here having had a calorie surplus today. And that is a proper demonstration of thriving, I'd say. Look at that. Look at that. There's a tendency in life, isn't there? Once you've found somewhere that is comfortable, which this is, to then batten down the hatches and just not really push any further because you're comfortable. And why upset the apple cart? And yet, I knew it wasn't really thriving. You know, actually exploring further downstream to an area where I thought might have bigger game, bigger food sources, it's paid off, isn't it? Sometimes the most comfortable route is not the best one. Sometimes you need to do things that scare you a little bit. A moment of truth. Just look at that fleshy white meat. Oh my gosh. It's heaven. It's utter heaven. Like all reptiles, cross between fish and chicken. Sort of fickin'. Barbecued fickin'.